So for all intents and purposes, the holiday gatherings kind of begin for a lot of people tomorrow.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, we're doing Christmas tomorrow.
So if your holiday gatherings are tomorrow, then yes, white Christmas for you.
Snow.
Yeah. Christmas Day, it actually is going to be into the 40s, so a lot of things are going to be melting off by then. But we do have snow in the forecast today, and we're tracking that today, tonight, and into tomorrow. Cloudy skies across the area right now as that incoming system is approaching. Here's what we're expecting. Today, that snow is expected to move in from the west by late this afternoon and evening. Timing on that looks to about 5 to 6 p.m. and that will continue overnight tonight. And at times tonight, that will mix with freezing rain as well, which is going to create that potential for a blanket of ice along with that snow on the roadway. So something to be aware of, especially tomorrow morning. We will see a little bit of a break in that precipitation overnight, but then we have another shot of snow coming right behind that. That's going to happen tomorrow morning through about mid-morning. So early hours through mid-morning, that's when we're expecting our second round of snow showers. And then lake effect snow is going to continue for most of the afternoon and evening. Right now, seeing that satellite and radar, looks like we've already seen some of that snow, but we actually haven't. That snow has stayed up in the clouds, hasn't been able to reach the surface because we have some very dry air in place. Here's the timing we're expecting, though. By about 5 or 6 p.m., starting to move into those north and west suburbs, and that will continue to spread southward through the evening hours. Then we'll see that little bit of a break in this system before that next round is expected by about 3 or 4 a.m., sweeping southward as well. That second round is when we're expecting some heavier pockets of snowfall at times, and then we'll continue to see that potential of some of those lake effect snow shower bands across the lakeshore areas through the afternoon and evening. And then overnight into Saturday morning, we could see some of that lake effect snow shower as well into northwest Indiana too. We're looking at anywhere between 1 to 3 inches of snowfall by the time this system is out of here, with the heavier totals being close to the lakeshore and across those northern suburbs. The highest totals are going to be well to the north of us. Winter weather advisory and winter storm warning in effect for Wisconsin. They're looking at the potential of 4 inches to a foot of snowfall across those locations. So we're definitely on the southern side of this system. So we're not going to see quite the brunt of the system as it moves through, just enough to bring us a bit of a coating across the area. As that low moves out tomorrow, high pressure builds in, and that's going to bring us some quieter conditions for the weekend. However, chilly conditions. We're going to see a colder air mass in place both Saturday and into Sunday, and then we will see some clear skies at times throughout the weekend as well, even though it will be quite chilly. Temperatures today, mid-30s, snow showers moving in by this late afternoon and evening. Tonight, upper 20s, snow showers mixing with that freezing rain at times, a little bit of a break in our system, and then we'll see those snow showers continue tomorrow morning, and then we'll see that break by about mid-morning to midday with some lake effect snow showers continuing across the area by the evening and overnight hours as well. So looking ahead, those temperatures start to drop off Saturday and Sunday. Those are going to be our coldest days in the forecast, highs only into the upper 20s, and then another chance of a rain-snow mix comes in on Monday. And then looking at the holiday, things are going to be pretty mild. We're back into the 40s. So any snow that we see over the next 24 to 48 hours, possibly seeing a little bit of it sticking around by Christmas, but I think a lot of it's going to be melted off by then.
Is it the packing kind of snow so that John, her husband, can make a snow?
It's likely going to be that packing kind.
Okay.
John, get ready, baby.
Yeah, kind of that slushy, wet packing snow.
All right.
Yeah.
Direct communication
Thank
via
you.
the TV.
Yeah.
I still
He's a loyal viewer.
Sure he is.